Hello. So many of you have been asking in the real-time procedure how we do laser at Tamira. Let me take you through the procedure today. So she has undergone few sessions. Now you can see there are few areas where patchy hair growth is noticed. So as I said in earlier videos, after every session you will see a decrease in the thickness of the hair and decrease in the growth of the hair, so there will be patchiness, and the duration takes for the hair to grow also increases. So here most of the areas here which we have marked, she has a patchy growth over there, and we are going to do the laser on those areas. So we will start with shaving those areas, and then I will show you how we do the laser. So let me tell you about the machine which I am using for the patient here for laser hair removal. So this is a machine from Candela. This is the Gentle Yag Pro. As you know, in Tamira we have two laser machines, which is a diode machine, which is the SHR motion technology, which is called as the painless laser hair removal, and the second one is the Gentle Yag, which is the ND Yag technology. So why specifically I am using this technology for our patient today? Because this technology is little superior when it comes to removing the fine hair, thick hair, and the on spot, very appropriate on the spot laser reduction. So because we are doing on the face, and the already few sessions have been done, and there is already a thinning of hair, so I am going to use this machine today, and I will show you how I do it. The parameters are set as per the area of body to be treated, and also taking in consideration, I'll show you how. So there are parameters depending upon hair color, the hair thickness, the skin type of the patient, and then if the tan is there or not. So depending upon that, I have set this pattern for our patient because she is a light skin patient, very fine hair are not completely black. So this is what we will be doing for her today. So there, as you can see, we are shaving the existing hair. Why do we shave the existing hair? Because the laser beam is absorbed by the pigment. Now we want to reduce the hair, but we want the laser to act on the hair root and the cells which grow the hair, not on the outside hair, because that will be a wastage and unnecessary splatter of the energy over the skin, which we don't want. So when we shave, the continuity of the hair from the skin till the underneath the skin till the root is maintained, and that's what absorbs the laser energy, and that's how there is a reduction in the hair growth. Whether it is a tiny procedure like laser hair removal or whether it is a surgery, it is very important to maintain the asepsis, because everything can go wrong, everything can give you infection, can give you complication if not done correctly. I'm sure you would have seen a lot of videos on YouTube and Insta which shows the laser gone wrong. So here, because we are an association institute where we are plastic surgeons and we do surgeries as well, so a lot of emphasis you will see is given on patient safety, cleanliness, hygiene, and to maintain asepsis, that is avoid any kind of infection. Everything is done in a neat and clean way so that the patient comfort is at best, and also we avoid any kind of complication, and things has to be done in a certain way because it is a medical procedure, medical practice, not some salon treatment. So the areas which she still has increased patchy growth, I will be doing a double pass. Other areas I will be doing a single pass. Intermittent cooling is applied for the skin. However, this laser machine also has inherent cooling effect, but it's summer, the skin will be already inflamed a bit, and to give additional better feeling to the patient so that there is no burning session, nothing, we keep on icing in between.